Hi, so here I am back with another unboxing video of the Big Book box, and this is the 2023 July Fairytales box. And I had purchased the Mocha one. That is why the box is kind of bigger and it's heavy and it's packed to the full, and it just came with this sellotape. So let's open that and see what it's like inside. Okay, so that's what the quote says. Hey, good looking, your BFF is here. See, it has been a long wait, a year long wait for this box. So, okay, I have my book here with the list of all the items that were supposed to come. So I'll be like taking it off one by one. The first thing I see here is The Hub Witch's Apprentice by Irene Shaw, and that's the book. I know it kind of looks very blue in the video, but it's actually more violet than blue. And so no color illustrations anywhere, but all black and white ones. And so did I have that? Yes, I had that. And this was the book of the month, hardcover with 27 illustrations, 2 art prints and 1 bookmark. Let's see if it came with any art prints inside the book. No, it hasn't, so we'll see. Maybe it's there in the envelope, so I'll just keep that there. The second one is The Hurricane Wars, and that was supposed to come with the map on the end paper and a naked hardcover print. So yeah, that's beautiful, but that's too bad. Oh, I thought it was a smudge right there, but it's not. It's actually this. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but there's this ship that's kind of like a flip book. And we have the gorgeous end paper map over there. So we have art on both sides, and it's this lovely violet purple shiny stuff, and we have a map on the other side as well. So this has come properly, and then we have the Flyer Lady, and that is supposed to come with end papers, hardcover, and the secret below the dust jacket. So let's see what that's about. As you can see, there is no secret below the dust jacket, although it was supposed to come with that, whatever that was. It's just a plain white book with the spine, and was supposed to come with stunning end papers, and it hasn't. It's come with a regular end paper, and that's about it. The book is normal otherwise. So no end papers and no secret under the hardcover. Then we have Royal Goddess Queen. That is the first edition hardcover. It's supposed to come with an author letter, art, naked hardcover, and end papers. So yes, there's this lovely end paper, and okay, so this is the naked hardcover. So we have this silvery thing, embossing kind of thing over here, and on the back and right here, that's the spine. And it also comes with this pink sprayed edges, which is a nice touch. Then is there an author letter here? Perhaps. Yes, that's a note from the author. Not sure if that is supposed to be the author letter or something else. So, no art print and no author letter here. So we'll have to check that out. Maybe it's there in the envelope, but okay. Then, so this was supposed to be the enamel pin. That's Tangle themed. At last I see the light, and it's a pretty one, but I wish they'd done something more like Frozen instead of this. Then supposed to have Studio Ghibli coasters, and it's a set of 3 coasters. But we got 4. That's great. So we have Totoro, and we have Calcifier. Then we have this guy from Spirited Away, and we have Kiki's cat. I forget his name. So yeah, 4 iconic characters from Studio Ghibli's movies, which are always my favorite. So that was really nice to get in this book. Then you're supposed to get an old Reader's Club tote bag with an attached pocket, which is what I think this is. So let's check that out. It's a heavy bag compared to all the other bags they've sent so far. It's heavy, and yeah, that is the print on the front, and that is the pocket right there. The rest of the bag, the back side is all very plain, and the tote bag is pretty plain too. So it comes with these 2 handles and a sling belt as well. I wish they'd given us some more print on the bag, or maybe they had changed the bag's color, but I'll do that. It feels sturdy at least. Then we are left with the book window, which is supposed to be made of wood, and I guess this is the one. Just cut that up. Oh, okay. I am not sure if this was supposed to just come off like that, but it did. This seems to be glued. So yeah, that kind of offers a depth of field thing, and that is the same from Tangled, I believe. That's the castle right there. And that's the book window. So all that's done. They haven't given us any envelope this time, and I think they just dump these things inside the box just like that. So this is the first bookmark. That's a really pretty one. Then we have this is from, I think this is the author letter. Then we have another one, another author letter. Again, these are printed, not hand signed. And we have the one art print. Looks like they went stingy this time with their bookmarks and the art prints. Normally they also give us character cards, but I guess they didn't. In any case, this would be my last box from Big Book Box. I'm not getting any more of them, and I'm glad at least this is a good one. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. Bye bye.